crafters, thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Welcome back to week 4 of #Spooktacular 2024. This is an open collaboration that I'm doing here on my YouTube channel. That's an October daily style album in the theme of the Spooky Movie Club. There are freebies in my Ko-fi shop. There's also a playlist of past weeks and a tutorial where I created this album that I'm using to document my October daily movies that I'm watching. There's also a digital kit available in my Ko-fi shop if you'd like to grab that and follow along with what I'm doing. For weeks 1 through 3, we got all the way to the Haunted Mansion. So this week we'll be working on Fright Night, Buffy the Vampire Slayer, Nightmare on Elm Street, Ghostbusters, Young Frankenstein, Goosebumps, and The Addams Family. Each week I do have a freebie that goes along with the movies that I am documenting in my October daily. This is this week's freebie. I have printed this at half size because I am starting to run a little shy on room in my journal. So I wanted to make sure I've got plenty of room for my pictures and my other embellishments I want to use. So I did print these a little smaller than I have in the past. You can print them at full size or any size that you want that works well with your journal. So let's clear the desk off and get to crafting. We're going to start on our waterfall documenting day 19, Fright Night. I am going to put this to music, speed it up so that it isn't too terribly long video so everybody can follow. But again, at any time, if you ever have any questions about anything that I am creating, please leave it down in the comments section and I will try to address any questions you might have. So sit back and enjoy. time for the quick flip through of week 4. We started out with Fright Night. I did this on the waterfall. I did a stencil with the moon mask from Tim Holtz. I used one of the images from the freebie from this week. The movie film strip image that I got off Google. The movie ticket, a sentiment strip from the Tim Holtz Halloween book, and some washi tape. And that's day 19. Day 20 is Buffy the Vampire Slayer. We're continuing with that vampire theme type movies. Did the movie film strip here. Did the freebie image with the holy water, the garlic, things that you would fight a vampire with. The pumpkin number image from the movie and some washi tape there. So that's day 20. Day 21 is Nightmare on Elm Street. Did that on the waterfall over here. Added some of the striped washi to kind of mimic Freddy's sweater. This week's freebie embellishment for the movie, the pumpkin tag, movie strip, and another sentiment strip. That's day 21. Day 22 is Ghostbusters. Did that in here on this inside flip. The image from the movie, the freebie embellishment from this week. Did it kind of in a cascading style. The movie film strip, pumpkin number, and the movie tag. So that's day 22. Day 23 is Young Frankenstein. This is one of my family's favorite movies. I created another little booklet style folio to go under the belly band to add some extra image. All I did is basically took a piece of cardstock, cut it the same height as the insert here, but double size so that I could fold it, ink those edges up, and I used the inside here to do day 23 for Young Frankenstein. Use some of the stone washi tape here, some of the plaid washi tape, sentiment strip, and the freebie embellishment. And that'll tuck right under the belly band. Day 24 is Goosebumps. And that's in the waterfall here. Did some tearing of the ventriloquist dummy here. The freebie image from this week's freebie page. Another sentiment strip. The movie film strip, and some more washi. And lastly, day 25 is the Addams Family. And that is the last of the waterfalls on this side. I did some inking around the embellishment here of the Addams Family house. Sentiment strip. I used my corner chomper for one of the images I printed from Google for Wednesday Addams, and then added the pumpkin and the movie tag here. And that's day 25. Next week, we'll be doing the last week, and we'll be doing the final embellishments of the album. So I hope you'll join me. Be sure to hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I put up any new content. And until I see you again here in the attic, y'all take care.